Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about tips to avoid retirement depression. 1. Maintain small routines. Continue with household chores and other small routines to provide structure and purpose. 2. Consistent sleep schedule. Stick to a regular sleep pattern to maintain overall well-being. 3. Scheduled pleasurable activities. Plan enjoyable activities weekly, such as dinners with friends or family. 4. Stay physically active. Aim for at least 150 minutes of exercise per week. 5. Explore new hobbies. Consider learning something new or pursuing a hobby. 6. Set goals and tasks. Develop a daily list of tasks and goals to stay focused and accomplished. 7. Volunteer. Volunteering can provide a sense of purpose and social interaction. 8. Gradual transition. Slide into retirement gradually rather than making an abrupt shift. Remember, these strategies can help you navigate retirement and maintain positive mental health. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye.